All right, what's up everybody? Didn't really record the flight from today. It was just really busy, kind of the same stuff. We had a really busy Labor Day weekend. We flew for about 10 hours. There's John right there. And then we got Ryan over there. Connery is over there. Just some normal dude right there. 3 guys just took off. We're waiting for our banners to be done getting packed up, and we're gonna be flying back home at night, so I figured I'd record what's going on.
Ryan prep for his night flight.
So Ryan, explain what is going to be happening with you.
Now for me, it's a little different. You see all these beautiful airplanes here at high exposure have what is a landing light and taxi light, whereas my piece of shit over there
let's go over here.
Has neither. So I'm gonna be landing in the dark, using the fancy strobes on the side, which I hope are bright enough to illuminate it. If not, Reed is going to drive down the runway with a truck so I can see in front of me.
So regardless, we are gonna drive in Reed's truck, and I'm gonna land first. John's gonna go second. Rye Guy's gonna go third.
Okay, strobes are working.
And Connery is gonna go fourth. And as soon as I land, I'm gonna park my plane, hop in the truck with Reed, and we're gonna follow these guys coming in. So I thought that'd be a really cool video to do. And as you can see, it's a killer sunset. Gonna get some really cool night flying. See you guys in a bit.
Sure.
All right, what are you doing? Explain what you're doing.
I am giving this good girl here something to drink, because we flew 10 hours today, and as you can see, she's steaming, man. She needs something to drink. So I'm gonna, she's about 6 quarts right now. I'm gonna get her up to at least 7. Get her down. I put the stick up here so you know, it doesn't get contaminated with anything on the ground or anything like that.
So we're still waiting on our banners. This should be done hopefully in 5 minutes, because we're trying to go home.
Yes, we are.
Because tomorrow we have another like 10-hour day.
If not later than this one.
Yeah, if not later than this
Me and him have done this so long, we've been pacing ourselves all throughout the day today, and mentally before this weekend started, we knew it was going to be quite the adventure, because this and July 4th and Memorial Day, we fly maybe on average 10.5, 11 hours a day easily. So.
Yep. So he's gonna grab that.
Yep.
He's gonna put it right in.
Nice and tight.
Cool. So he just did that, and here come our banners. So we're gonna throw them in and see you guys soon.
Yeah, for all intents and purposes, I can't. Because if they're small enough, I can wiggle them in there,
okay.
but...
Okay.
He gives me something to take.
Here, pull the tail out, it's getting caught. You see it? I see. Is that why you even...
Now I'm just throwing in my banner. Because I flew this one, I'm just gonna be taking this one back. And everyone else has their own banner that they took.
I'm really not at I'm not really a Kennedy.
All right, we're in. We're about to take off. Let's get going.
Lakewood traffic, Skyhawk 318 is turning right crosswind, runway 24 will be close pattern, Lakewood. And Lakewood traffic, Cessna Skyhawk is going to be positioning behind these proper tubs, and we're going to be departing via the right downwind, runway 24 northbound, Lakewood. Lakewood traffic, Skyhawk 318 is clear, runway 24, Lakewood. also will allow me to turn on my landing lane taxi light. So as you can see, as soon as I flip it on, the dash is going to turn a little red. As you can see, there's red is coming from this light right here. So this light, wait until you see this. Doesn't really work. It is completely, it's just really bad. So, yeah. So I just got that one light right there, and I'm going to conserve it as long as I can because I don't know when it's going to die. So I'd rather have some light than absolutely nothing. As you can see, it's pretty dark. I mean, we're over the woods right now. We didn't go to the ocean side just because we've seen it for about 10 hours a day. Alright, yeah, I'm switching. I'm 3 out. How far out are you, bud? Are you kidding me, dude? I'm still 15 hours. Oh my god, do you want me to circle? No, you're fine, dude. I got the RNAV bloated up. Alright, I mean, because I can stay out. No, you're fine, man. Get your good shot. Woodbine traffic, come 2 mile final, 19, Woodbine. Woodbine traffic, blue Cessna, clear 19, Woodbine. Con, do you have a landing light? I have a landing light, yeah. Couldn't remember if I had one or not. Yeah, it has one on the left wing, and that's it. Nav and beacon, not so much. John's is about as bright as a mag light. Nice. Here we go. I wish the lights were not on the wings. I wish they were in front. I mean, that's what I could see, so they're not really that much help. Forgot to mention, when you click the mics, 3 times turns them on really dim, 5 times turns them on medium, and 7 high. Depending on the airport, it's a little different, but just figured that was kind of an important thing to say, if you wondered why we're all clicking.
Yo.
Okay, where's Ryan at?
He's like 5 minutes out. Pick me up at the fuel farm real quick. What's up? What up, Poe? Got the daddies. And we're gonna wait for Ryan to come in. Reed's gonna, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna sit at 19 and then wait for him to get over us, and then I'll step on the gas and we'll light up the frickin' runway.
Here we go. I think that's him out there.
See where I landed earlier today.
Yeah, over here.
Yeah.
That's funny.
It's kind of mushy. I think I got 4-wheel drive.
All right, Reed and I are sitting here. We're on the edge of 19.
Yeah, the approach on?
Yes, sir.
Tell him not to land short.
So yeah, don't land short.
Coming in 19.
Yeah.
Yeah, come in 19. They got the Pappy's Vazzies. The other ones for 3113 do not work. Do you see Raid's tail lights? He's pumping his brakes. Alright, cool. He is, where is he? There he is. You doing a 180 or no?
Yeah, I'm doing a 180.
Okay.
How you doing, pal?
Good job, bud.
It honestly wasn't that bad. You got some lights on there. Yeah, did a good.
Those ones.
Okay.
So as you can see, it's pitch black. He can't see anything. I mean, I can't.
Turn your lights off.
Turn your lights off.
There we go.
So look how dark that is. All right, you can turn it back on.
That's dark.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to show how dark it was. That was a good job.
You boys were getting it. Fist pump. And that's a day. Actually, say night.
Here, have the light like on your face, because
A night in the life. Literally. Coming back, no landing light, you know, we'll take a Ford F-150 down the runway. Anything to get it done, baby.
anything.
Anything to get it done. Yes, sir.
Ryan.
Why are you so slow? You couldn't keep up the rest of them? No, because they weigh like 150 pounds more than all of them. Yo, what's up?
Yo, good job, bud.
Oh, you know.
Good job, bud.
Wow, that's really black. That had a pretty good landing, honestly.
Not bad.
For what it could have been.
Didn't even make Bravo.
Yeah, I didn't make Bravo because
You see the radio speed up right behind you.
Off your ass.
I'm like, I saw that. I'm like, okay.
I'm glad you told him that you were stopping too.
Yeah, I need to because I thought he was gonna hit me.
I'm stopping.
Here's a
All right, guys, that's it. See ya.